Okay, so these are a number of the mechanical pencil items that I have in my gear. I'm trying to eliminate some of the gear out of my box, and these alone are the mechanical pencils. The good old Ready pencil. I don't even know if they make these anymore. Remember these? You can take the lead out of this side. It's kind of a crayon pencil. It's good in black, and as you can see, you can push the next one in to. Now I done. Hope I don't break it. But you saw this one wasn't quite done, and I daggone pushed this one through. But well, now I have a sharp one to work with, or a brand new one anyhow. That one's pretty thick, and then these are. Let's look at this one first. This is the lead that you can get that replaces the whole lead, and you shake that down, and a whole new lead will come out. So I'm set with that, and that's probably close to like a 0.9 or even a 1, 0.09. Oh, I'm sorry, 0.9, 0.1, a 1.0 lead, and it fits well in my other mechanical pencil in this case, which is an old case I think is really cool, old mechanical set. And I can keep the leads in here, and then so the same kind of lead. It's they sell it like as compass lead, but you can see this one here that I broke off. What I can do is take the casing off around any one of my pencils and cut myself a piece off to bring out in the field with me, and bang, I could be holding, this is the equivalent of, holding 5 pencils. And then the pencil end goes in this end. And this guy comes apart. It comes apart, and then I can put the lead in with that side. And there's also tips for dip pen. So I'll put that back together in a minute. But I'm not sure if that's too big to put like in the whole case or what I'm going to do. So, but anyhow, different sizes of mechanical pencils rather. Whoops, there went that lead. So you see, and 0.7, pretty good fine line out of a 0.7, right? That's pretty much the standard of what they sell in the stores. Good sturdy 7 or 5. You'll find a lot of 5s in the store too, and you can get these almost anywhere. It's just a matter of, where are you? Just a matter of getting that lead at your mechanical store. Now the thing is, so this one comes in and then it gently presses out the lead, or I can put the whole deal back in and then it extracts. Now the reason it's got that extender, it comes out there and then I can feed the lead out, because this is a 0.5. So the 0.5 is going to break if I really get some pressure on it. So when I'm using that, I have to be very gentle with it. Don't get a whole lot of pressure when I'm doing any kind of blending or shading. And these guys are the smallest, and they're actually the giveaway pencils that you used to find at conventions and stuff. And this is like a 0.3. The problem with the 0.3 is lead breaking, just like the other one. But you see it's got that guard up around it that allows you to have just the minimum amount of lead out without room for it to bend and break if you're using it. So the other thing is when you're blending with this, it's such a fine point. You've got to be really careful with your Bristol or any of your paper that it'll tear your paper up if you're not gentle with it. So anyhow, and then of course the refills. Anyhow, just a quick rundown of just the mechanical pencils in my case. Hope that helped anybody out. Bye-bye.